Hello, I'm Ian Berry. For over 30 years, I've been working as a mentor for business leaders primarily, but also those that provide professional services to business leaders. My signature work is around responsibility. I think it's the keystone character trait of wise leaders. The unwise tend to react, whereas the wise have worked out the best ways for you to respond. In the Wise Leaders Workshop, which is my signature work, I look at 9 aspects of responsibility. The first area, I call it heartful disposition. It's about learning to respond with your heart first. The heart knows. The mind tends to confuse us. We need the mind, but later on, the heart is first. The second area is about aligning with our essence, or what Joseph Campbell called bliss. It's what we can't not do. Then it's about always being in service to others. The fourth area is about being possibility focused. We know from quantum physics that we live in a world of infinite possibility. And it's a matter of being able to zero in on what's next for us, what's best for us in the next moment, as well as the short term and the long term. Responsibility is about doing work that's meaningful for you and yet highly valuable for others. It's also about being open to input. This is where peer groups and mentors, I think, are essential for any kind of growth and personal development. We need others and we need mentors. The final area, the 3 areas that I look at in the Wise Leaders Workshop is about Farsight. I learnt this from Eagles. One of my favorite songs is Up Where We Belong, particularly the Joe Cocker, Jennifer Harms version. And there's a line in there that says, it's up where the eagles cry, far from the world below, where the clear winds blow. And it takes a special commitment, a special process in order to get away from our biases, get away from our prejudices, up where the clear winds blow, to get a clear sight of what the future might mean for us, and then to be able to take the next quantum leaps, that small yet significant steps towards our future. The final area is to do with connection and belonging, and about feeling valued. Now in February, for the very first time, I'm giving you a complimentary version of the workshop. It's only available for 20 people. There's 2 time slots, 10 people per time slot. There's details below this video. I hope you'll get in touch if you think it's for you. By all means, give us a call to talk through things more. The world needs more wise leaders. The world needs you being at your wisest.